In this video, I will show you how to download and install Chrome browser on your latest Windows 11 laptop. So this is the simple way, guys. Just open any web browser and type here Chrome download. Press enter. Now here you will see official link Google Chrome web browser. Click on it. Now here just click on download Chrome. It will work in Windows 10, 11, 8 or 7. So download it, and once this download process will complete, you have to follow these three steps. First one, open the Chrome setup.exe file from the download list at the bottom left corner of this window. If prompt, click install anywhere and yes on the system dialogs. Then wait for the installation to finish. Chrome will open automatically when it's done. So just these three steps if you are a beginner and you want to know how to download and install Chrome. If not downloading start, so click here, download Chrome manually. So as we can see this setup file. So thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe this channel.